John Keats was a Cockney. Ode to a Nightingale. My heart aches, and a drowsy numbness pains my sense, as though of hemlock I had drunk, or emptied some dull opiate to the drains 1 minute past, and Lethe-wards had sunk. 'Tis not through envy of thy happy lot, but being too happy in thine happiness, that thou, light-winged dryad of the trees, in some melodious plot of beech and green, and shadows numberless, sing'st of summer in full-throated ease. That was published 200 years ago. So many people have been influenced by Ode to a Nightingale by John Keats. It's quite remarkable. I keep on reading other poets who say that it formed them, that it helped them get into poetry when they were younger, that it sort of changed their lives. And I suppose I have to say exactly the same. I'd like to read you a poem now, which is a completely different take on the Nightingale, but obviously the idea of writing a poem on nightingales has stayed with me all my life. This one is from a sequence of 23 poems for a footpath in southern France. And when you walk this footpath, you come to different places. And the sequence is called A Strange Guide to Places, which actually nicks the title from John Adams' piece of music, which is A Guide to Strange Places. But each of the poems is called, has the word place in the title. And this one is the last place on the walk, when you come to a break of trees, and there's a bench, much like I'm sitting on at the moment. And when I arrived there, it was surrounded by nightingales singing. Now, this is not something you're going to hear in the southwest of Scotland, where I am now. They want 14 degrees of heat before they even open their beaks. So, you know, no way Jose Galloway for the nightingale. But it's still pretty much a sort of nightingale-friendly environment. Even other birds, plenty of other birds singing around at the moment. This poem is actually a series of words and phrases created solely from the letters of the word nightingale. So it's a series of anagrams and twists and inversions, and therefore it's pretty crazy. But it's kind of imitating the incredible variation and the twists, turns, inversions, repeats that the nightingale uses in its song. If I can find it, I've actually got a recording of a nightingale that I took in France. I might add it on to this video at the end for you to hear. But this poem is called Singing Place, and here we go. Ha! A lightning tingled tight in the night, gleaming lineage, elating. Tin thin lightning, lean lent, at an angle, hanging, aging. In the gowl, a gig, a tinge, a towel, at the gate hinge, a lighting in the lane, a hail thing, an egg, angel in heat, neat tagle tangle, late lightning, healing net, alien thane, agent, agent, tan in tan, ni li, ni la, hit then lent then gain, ignite, glean then get, angling light, in a glen the gate, aligning, inhaling, nay hate, nay haggle, nay nag, in ling, in line, in lee, a hint, leg, hat, now, a hing, eh? I get it. Tea, gin, an owl, 10 in an inn, la, tea, let a thing nigh, a gal, gang, nigh, nag, hag, niggle, in tanga, ailing in henna gel, nil then, till then, hi.